Oh, Susan Jane, they have some cute things here. Hey, how about this?
That waving weed effect, you know, it's too organic for me,
Huh.
you know.
Yeah, it kind of looks like upholstery.
Yeah,
huh?
like the sofa.
All right. All right. Okay. This is your style. Look at this. Bobby Brooks, it's a really good label.
Well, maybe I can just wear it inside out, you know, with the label first. So I'll walk in there with that Bobby
Jane.
Brooks. Oh, well, you know.
Now, we're going to find you something great. I found it. Oh, that it? Hey, I like...
No, if I get too drunk and look down at that, I'll throw up.
The belt is kind of cute.
You know, well, they say if you're out at night, you should wear something bright so you don't get
Looks
hit
like
by
it's your
cars.
size.
Yeah, I think so. I like this color, too. Keep me awake.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah, I think I'm going to get this one.